Gel cookery was meant to be the next big thing in the 1960s, or at least that's what gelatin makers like Knox wanted it to be. Expanding beyond desserts, Knox Gelatin produced a range of recipes for salads and main dishes using their unflavoured gelatin. They even went as far as to propose gelatin as a drink additive, making claims that it could fix brittle nails or even help you to lose weight. But today I'm looking at one of their main dishes they put forward in this book, chicken mousse. Let's see if this recipe should have been left in the past or if it'll become your new Sunday night supper. They ask for chopped chicken, olives and celery, but as an odd ingredient they want onion juice. Some things just shouldn't be juice, this just looks more like Trojan yogurt to me. Now we add the unflavoured gelatin to some of the chicken broth, giving it a stir to incorporate the crystals, and then moving it over to a low heat on the stovetop to finish dissolving the gelatin. Now we add the last of the chicken broth and the onion juice load. Now move this over to the fridge until it gets to the viscosity of some egg yolks. Now we need some whipped cream to add in some air into the dish. Once the gelatin has reached the right thickness, we fold all the ingredients together, making sure not to mix it too much. Pour the mixture into your choice of mould, and it goes back into the fridge until it sets up firm. It just doesn't look right. This thing is thick, it's coagulated, the texture is just wrong. It reminds me of uncooked canned food, like...
Chum, always so jumpy, you can carve it.
For taste, it's like a cold soup. It hasn't really all come together. The mouthfeel is just upsetting, there's so many strange textures going on here. This one is a definite do not try at home.